Hello everybody, this is Priyamada Azad from Enlightened with Divine Guidance. So today I have a very interesting and powerful spell for you, and this is basically a money spell. For this money spell you will need one orange candle. First of all, I would like to share why orange candle. Orange color signifies our sacral chakra, which is 3 finger below your belly button. Okay, so that chakra signifies the pleasure of life, satisfaction, achieving goals, right? So this spell is also about achieving a specific amount, or if you want to replace it with something else, that too you can do. But as I have used all the money herbs, so this will go more quickly and effectively work for money related things, okay, money related wishes. So here we go. So we are using the color orange for as it signifies sacral chakra, okay. And also I have placed this is my candle, so I have also placed this citrine over it, okay. And what else we need? We definitely going to need this sage to cleanse our area, bay leaf for the wishes, and money oil if you have. If you don't have, it's okay, you can use olive oil or coconut oil, okay. And then we will need clove, lavender, cinnamon, what else, and one yellow color is for the solar plexus, and it is all about the will, confidence, and I believe, to me, it has always signified like achieving my goal, and I don't know why, but I believe it is all about success, good news, more, as if what you wish with the color of yellow, it always multiplies. And after giving this spell to my candidates, they have also achieved not only their goal, they have got more than that. So I love using the color yellow along with orange, okay. So here we go. First and foremost, we will cleanse our area. I did it once, but I want to show you guys with the prayer I do. I connect with Archangel Michael. It is just calling upon his name. Archangel Michael, thank you for removing all that no longer serves. Thank you. Your intention always works, okay. Take your time while doing your prayer, okay. So the first thing is sage. Secondly, see, if you don't have sage, it's okay, use your incense. Secondly, if you have this glass candle, please remember to write the miracle code, because this spell is all about bringing miracle into your life, okay. So we will not going to use the 520 and 741 code number. There are many money codes I am going to give you next on my next video. Here let's work with the miracle code, because we do need miracle in our life. So let's start with money miracle, why not, right? So you will write 4418 space, give the space is very important, 19183, and also write this miracle code. And I have written all the names, especially my family members, because we want to bring money into our life. Not only, like, it is not about my life is very well connected with my family, so I also want them to see the light, the miracles. Why not? If I am happy, my family should be happy too. I see it in that way. So write your children's name, your husband's name, whatever, whoever you are connected with, and you should share your miracles with them, so that you could enjoy the miracles with them, with your family, okay. So why I still want to be very specific on this, because you could see the miracle coming through them as well, because I believe in keeping the doors open from every single way, okay. Then very important thing, over your, there is something written, I believe. Over your bay leaf, you will write, take one bay leaf and you will write the current amount. For example, you earn, currently if you earn 50, okay, 50k you earn a month, write 50k and you write thank you. This one is your current. I'm not writing because I want to show you properly. This is your current one. I do have written over my diary, please have a look. Over one bay leaf you will write the current amount. The second one is the amount you want to wish, you want to manifest basically, and the amount you have achieved. That you will come to know basically once your candle is done, but you are supposed to write another amount. See, I'm going to show you another example. For example, you want to earn 10, let me zoom in, 10 lakhs a month. What you will write? Thank you for that. I don't know, I believe you could see. Thank you. Okay, this is monthly that you wish to earn. This is your second leaf. Right. This one is your second leaf. You will not write this. So, over the third, thank you. You have achieved your goal for, I write very specifically, more, sorry, than 10 lakhs. What does this signifies? This signifies you are keeping the door open for more than what you are expecting, right? So now how you will be placing your bay leaves. The first one is your, just a moment. Now next, how to place your bay leaf. Okay, I have rubbed some of my money oil over the bay leaf as well, okay, and this is how you will place them. This is your current amount that you earn, that you are earning. This is your wishing amount, 10 lakhs. Thank you, writing thank you. Okay, the other one is your achieving goal leaf. Okay, thank you, I have earned, I have already achieved more than 10 lakhs, and this has to be placed in between. See carefully, this is a triangle shape, and this is something really interesting I find. In every spell you will see there are certain symbols we use because that symbol indicates certain things. In this case, this triangle shape is basically the fire sign, and this will speed up your spell. Okay, and you will right now going to place your candle over your bay leaf. Okay, now we are very much sorted with what we are doing after sage, writing down, then placing our candle, and we will place the leaf on a triangle shape, and fatafat se we will put some lavender. Take 3 circles even if you don't have in your hand, and clove for protection. 1, 2, 3. Okay, now we are done. Now we will light our orange candle. Thank you God, thank you God, thank you God, prosperity goddesses whom you connect with regularly. Okay, now we will prepare our yellow candle. For this we will need toothpick, and with the toothpick you will write your name top to bottom. So now with the toothpick, after writing your name, I'm sure you can't see anything. Just know that you are supposed to write your name and you are supposed to write the same amount you want to achieve. That 10 lakh, that was my example. You can write whatever you wish to manifest. Along with that, see, if you don't have one yellow candle, go with a white candle and put the oil clockwise, your money oil or your olive oil or coconut. Not to worry, it's okay. Okay, if you don't have yellow, only then, but I would suggest get one yellow. Yellow works well. Okay, so now what you will do, you will light your candle from your orange candle. This yellow one, sorry. Be careful. Make sure it is fixed properly. So now with this is one separate bay leaf. Okay, this is the fourth one for your yellow candle. Okay, now you will write your specific amount. I told that, I guess. Then you will, after lighting your yellow candle, burn it. Yes, and feel excited. I'm so happy. Amazing. Be very careful. Beautiful. So guys, this is a very simple and yet effective one. Also, I would like to mention, every single evening until it goes down, please light one yellow, if not your white candle, and burn bay leaf. Every evening do this if you want to see your goal, you are achieving your goal quickly. And yes, now it's the time to sprinkle your cinnamon over both the candles. Thank you. I believe, and I'm damn sure this will work out for you if you just give your love and your faith to this ritual. This will definitely going to show you the result. Please come back and comment below once you see the results. Thank you so much for watching. Money miracles to you. Please take care. Lots of love.